Ang employees mindset po, they try to improve their income and their salary. Pero ang entrepreneurial mindset, try to improve their skills. Ang mga employees, ang goal nila is to be the smartest person in the room. And yung mga entrepreneurs, ang goal nila is to surround themselves with people who are smarter than them.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. I teach people on how to become wealthy and debt-free. If you have that desire, this is the channel for you. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin ano ba ang 5 powerful mindset, no? Sa mundo ng pagnenegosyo, on how you can really switch pagiging empleyado sa pagnenegosyo. Umpisahan natin sa number 1. Ang employees mindset po, they try to improve their income and their salary. Pero ang entrepreneurial mindset, try to improve their skills. Hindi ba natin kailangan tumaas ang income? Ito lang po ang mga friendship. Isipin lang po natin. Kung ang focus mo lang ay tumaas ang iyong sweldo, parati ka na lang siguro magre-reklamo.
Ba't di ba tumataas ang sweldo ko? Tagal-tagal ko na dito sa kumpanyang to.
Pero pag ikaw, yung mga negosyante mag-isip, pag ini-improve mo yung skills mo, yung kaalaman mo, yung karunungan mo, pag gumaling ka sa isang bagay, alam nyo, natural na susunod ang iyong sweldo at kita. Really? Kaya nga, minsan pag ang focus po natin talaga ay kita lang, ay nako, maniwala ka, may i-stack ka. But if you improve, try to improve yourself, nagkakaroon ka ng additional value. So automatically, tumataas ang value. Pag tumaas ang value mo, tataas ang sweldo mo. Does it make sense? Kaya dapat ang aim po natin, mga kapatid, is to improve our skills and the income will follow. Kung kayo ay nag-agree, please type agree in the comment section. Ano po yung mindset number 2 natin para maging successful tayo as negosyante? Ang mga employees, ang goal nila, to be the smartest person in the room. Yung mga entrepreneurs, ang goal nila is surround themselves with people who are smarter than them. Ano ibig sabihin nito? May kakilala ba kayong mga tao na may pabida attitude? Oo, dapat siya yung know-it-all, siya yung pinakamagaling. Alam mo, sa totoo lang kung ganun ka mag-isip, maniwala ka, you are with the wrong person and you are in the wrong room. Ang dapat nating isipin, we should think like entrepreneur. Ang mga entrepreneur, they don't think that they are the smartest person in the room. They love to what? Hire people who are better than them. They always want to talk to people who are greater than them.
Bakit?
So that they can learn from them. That's why they have mentors. Sa totoo lang, hindi sila na-insecure, hindi sila na-threaten, hindi nila tinatanaw as kompetensya yun. Katulad nga sinabi ni Steve Jobs, it doesn't make sense to hire smart people and to tell them what to do. We hire smart people so that they can tell us what should we do. Kaya mga friendship, ito lang po encouragement ko po sa inyo. Kung gusto mo lang yumaman at kung gusto mong umunlad, surround yourself with people who are smarter and more mayaman than you. Bakit po? Kasi pag natuto ka, you'll become just like them. Let's go to number 3, kung paano ka mag-utak negosyante. Bago tayo maging utak negosyante, batiin muna natin syempre ating mga friendship. Si Shan, nagpapa-shoutout, si Daddy Kids Blessing, at si Laugh. Maraming salamat. 2 million subscribers na tao. Dating umabot pa siya ng 400,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, Laugh, sa pagsuporta. Mindset number 3, ng empleyado at saka mga negosyante. Mga empleyado, ito yung favorite line nila, TGIP. Ano ibig sabihin ng TGIP? Thank God, it's payday! 15 na. Yan, masarap na mag-samyup! O kaya sahod day na, I think I deserve new shoes. Compare sa mga entrepreneur's mindset, alam mo, iniisip nila, ano kaya ang magandang investment opportunity? Ano kaya magandang business opportunity? Nagigets nyo? Pag meron silang pera, hindi na ginagastos, iniisip nila yung pera nila parang binhi. Anong gagawin mo sa binhi? Tinatanim mo. Bakit ka nagtatanim? Para lumago. Pag lumaki, ikaw ay aani. To expand their money, to expand their income. Para sa kanila, hindi TGIP ang music to the ears. Sa kanila, business opportunity is music to their ears. Kaya mga friendship roll call muna tayo. Balikan po natin. Ano po natutunan natin kung gusto nyo talaga maging successful negosyante. Number 1, ang goal mo is to improve your skills, not to improve your income. Number 2, ang goal mo is to surround yourself with smarter people. Hindi ikaw ang pinakamagaling na tao. Number 3, pag nagkapera ka, iisipin mo business opportunities, hindi yung spending opportunities. Sana naman naliwanagan po kayo at para sa mga taong gustong mag-umpisa na negosyo pero hindi pa kayo confident. Nako, may good news po ako. I created a Negosyante Starter Pack to help you change your mindset from employment to entrepreneurship. At kung ano yung package na yun, let's watch this. Friend, gusto mo pang magkaroon ng multiple and unlimited income? Great news! Nako, alam nyo ba may nasulat na po akong 2 best-selling books. Ang title po, For Richer and For Poorer and How I Made My First Million. Kung saan matututo kayo kung paano nyo kitain ang unang milyon mo. Plus, may good news po ako. Magre-release na po ako ng bagong librong My Negosyo Diary. I will be sharing with you 4 decades of my experiences, lessons in starting, operating, and growing my own business. The original price of these 3 books is 990 combined. Pero dahil naniniwala ko ang pagyaman po ay napag-aaralan, kaya I'm offering a 3-in-1 promo called Negosyante Starter Pack kung saan you can get 3 of these books for only a ridiculous price of $499. You heard it right. $499 lang po. O grabe, napakalaking discount, napakaraming learning. So what are you waiting for? Time na para palakihin natin ang iyong kita. Hurry, the price will go up soon. Avail of the promo right now because starting your journey to entrepreneurship is worth $499. So all you need to do is just click the link below or on top or just type the word called negosyo in the comment section. If you're watching me from Facebook, please PM me and type the word called negosyo right now. Tatandaan, ang pagyaman ay napag-aaralan. There you have it. I hope that you are enlightened, encouraged, and inspired. Tatandaan, ang pagyaman po ay napag-aaralan. This is Chinkitan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always. Think positive. Gusto mo na bang mag-ari ng sarili mo negosyo? Pag may plano ka, pero ang tanong, ang income, ito lang po ang mga friendship. Isipin lang po natin. Kasi, mga friendship pa, ito lang po encouragement ko po sa inyo. Shante Starter Pack. Paki-insert na lang Thank you for watching. If you want to suggest a topic or review that you would like me to discuss on the next video, please do comment below para mabasa po namin. Thank you very much and I'll see you on our next video.